Thank you for stay tuned with my channel. For part 2, we will continue about generate flood map using IDW analysis.
For this part of the video, we will continue to do a processing for analysis. First, add the water level data by click add and search for the folder and search for water level data. Click OK. Data will be shown on the content. And next, add the best map data by search on folder and choose the district 3 folder and select the MYS ADM2 data shapefile. The data shapefile will be shown on the map and rename. After that, show the district table of the data by 3 years of average data, which is 2018 to 2020, and show the tribute table for district of Kelantan. Next, you need to rename the shapefile of the district of Kelantan as Kelantan district. After the finish, you need to do for water level data by display XY data, input the water level and rename the output and select the X field as longitude and as a latitude and use the WGS 1984 as the coordinate system and click OK. Next, export the features by click export with features, give input and rename. After that, click OK. And in our tools, find the IDW for spatial analysis and give input. Search for Z value which 2018 water level data and choose WGS 1984 coordinate system and choose extend for Kelantan district. Then you click run. Then the IDW will generate on the map. After that, remove the data that doesn't been used for water level. Click and rename the point of project which P2 River Station, and on the geoprocessing tools in the search context, search for extract by mass and give input IDW, give input Kelantan district and extend to Kelantan district. Choose the WGS 84 coordinate system. Then extend for Kelantan district. After that, you can run. And on the map will be shown the raster data format in Kelantan district shapefile. On the extract IDW, click symbology by primary symbology, choose the classify the class and choose to be 2 classes, which is for high and low water level. Choose the color that's suitable for the water level data and change the upper value to the high and low water level data. Low is 0 until 20.0 meter and the high value change to 20.1 and above for high. After the level of the high and low water level has been finished, need to go to the water level data and rename it with water level for 2018, because the value is from the water level 2018, and change the value to rank. The date change Kelantan district as dash blade, which will show the district, the line of the district of Kelantan district, and label the classes to change the visualization and show the name of Kelantan district in Kelantan. After that, in river station in emoticon, right click on emoticon and choose the S3 pin tool and change the color for visualization. And label classes for the river station by click on a station name. After that, click label to show the name of the river station. So you can visualization the font and color for the name of Kelantan and river station. Set up the type of font, color, and the position of the font. And make sure the color of area high water level is dark than the low water level. That's all. Stay tuned for watching.